This is my nighttime routine that I do on the nights when I use retinol to get a skin like this in the morning. And I just had my sunscreen and lipstick on and you can see how my skin looks. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with double cleansing my face. This is what I always do in the nighttime. And for that I'm gonna use cleansing balm on one side and cleansing oil on the other side, just to show you guys how the textures actually are. And you can see how easily it melts your makeup into the skin. Like, this cleansing balm is enriched with rice bran oil, so it is really hydrating on the skin. And on the other side I'm gonna use a cleansing oil from the same brand. This has soybean extracts in it, so it is again very good for people with dry skin. It is a very mild formula. So both of these, after using on the skin, you can see how the texture feels. So once your makeup is melted down nicely, just take some water in your hand and rub it nicely on your face. This is how double cleansing actually works. So now you have a clean skin because your makeup is gonna break down. And I'm gonna wash my face, and that's why I love using these instead of micellar water, because you don't need any cotton pads or anything. Up next I'm gonna go and wash my face. Since I'm gonna use retinol today, so I'm gonna go in with a mild cleanser that is hydrating as well. So this is the cleanser I'm gonna use today. This is the Doctor cleanser, very mild cleanser, and it lathers up really well. You can see how beautifully it forms up on your face, and it doesn't strip off the moisture from your skin. This is one of the best selling cleansers in Korea. I personally am not a big fan of this, but we're gonna talk about that in some other video. Next I'm gonna wash my face, and here I'm trying to find the right angle to shoot this video because the lighting in this washroom is a mess. So anyway, I found my angle and then I switched again. The next step is using a toner, and this is the Numbozin's number 3 toning essence. So this is the toner I'm gonna use today, and you can see how I'm using. This is the actual technique of using a toner that can give you the maximum benefits. Don't forget to take it to your neck as well, and then just dab and let it settle. Once the toner is absorbed nicely into your skin, I'm gonna use the retinol from Some by Me. Packaging is an issue in this product. It is very difficult to take out the product, but once you take it out, it is very hydrating on the skin. The only problem is the dispenser, but yeah, it is very hydrating. And for my retinols, I don't use sandwich method. I just simply apply my retinol and then my moisturizer. And this is a very mild retinol, absolutely safe for beginners, and it is very hydrating as well. And I have a complete review of that also if you want to check it. It is really good retinol. So once my skin is nicely prepped with retinol, I'm gonna apply thick layer of a moisturizer. The moisturizer that I've been loving recently is from Toriden. This is a very lightweight yet hydrating formula. It's filled with hyaluronic acid, really good for monsoon season especially. So if you are looking for a good moisturizer, and people with oily skin also, this is a really good option to go for. Really nice and hydrating. You can see the glow that it gives on my skin. After massaging it nicely on my skin, I'm gonna dab the moisturizer. This really helps with the blood circulation as well. That's why in every step I dab the products into my skin. Whatever is remaining, rub it in your hands. It's really hydrating and moisturizing. Sometimes I also apply my eye cream as well, but not today. I'm not in a mood. So yeah, that is all that I usually do in my skincare routine. And here is how my skin looks in the daytime, and this is without any lighting or anything. That's why I always emphasize on taking care of skin rather than investing in makeup, because that goes a long way. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.